Making connections, mastering non-defining relative clauses with which. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we'll be delving into the interesting world of non-defining relative clauses, specifically focusing on the use of which for things. It may sound complex, but I promise by the end of this video, you'll be creating sentences with non-defining relative clauses like a pro. To get us started, let's first understand what a non-defining relative clause is. A non-defining relative clause, also known as a non-restrictive relative clause, is a type of relative clause that adds extra information to a sentence. The exciting thing about these clauses is that they can be removed without changing the basic meaning of the sentence. Here's an example. My car, which is red, is parked outside. The clause, which is red, is a non-defining relative clause, providing additional information about my car but isn't necessary to understand the primary message, that my car is parked outside. Now that we understand what non-defining relative clauses are, let's look at using which in these clauses. The word which is used to refer back to a thing, an entire clause, or a situation mentioned earlier in the sentence. For instance, consider this sentence. The park has a new playground, which the children really enjoy. Here, which is referring back to the situation of the park having a new playground. Note: always remember to use a comma before which in non-defining relative clauses. This helps to indicate the start of additional, non-essential information. Now comes the fun part: practicing and creating our own sentences using which in non-defining relative clauses. Here are a few sentences for you to consider. 1. I recently purchased a new laptop, which has a great battery life. 2. She baked a pie, which smelled heavenly. 3. They won the match, which was quite unexpected. Take some time to create your own sentences following this pattern. Well, that wraps up our session on non-defining relative clauses with which. I hope you found this helpful, and I can't wait to see your sentences in the comments section. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new grammatical structure. Keep practicing, and you'll soon become proficient in using non-defining relative clauses. Until next time, happy learning!